450 grams. So let me proceed here. We are now on question 3. Question 3A. Question 3A, we are to convert 6.5 kilograms into grams. 6.5 kilograms into grams. How do we do it? 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 6.5 kilograms will be equal to 6.5 kilograms over 1 times 1,000 times 1,000. So we convert this into an improper fraction. 2 times 6 plus 1 is equal to 13 over 2 times 1,000. 2 goes here once, 2 goes here 250 times. So 13 times 25 is 25 there. 5, 2. 5 times 3 is 15, right? 5 carry 1. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So this is equal to 3,250. The answer here is 3,250 grams. 250 grams. Learners, are you following? Are you following? We are now on B. We want to convert 15.5 kilograms into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore, 15.5 kilograms will be equal to 15.5 times 1,000. 15.5 times 1,000. This will be equal to 2 times 15 is 30 plus 1, 31 over 2 times 1,000. 31 over 2 times 1,000. 2 goes here once, 2 goes here 250. So we have 31 times 25. This is 5 times 3, 15, then 7 here. We have 5, 2. This is equal to 5, 7, 7. 5, 7, 7. So the answer here is 7,750 grams. 7,750 grams. That is 31 times 250. 31 times 250. So we go to C. We now convert 27.25 kilograms into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore 27.25 kg is equal to 27.25 times 1,000. 27.25 times 1,000. So 27.25 converted into improper fraction is equal to 27 times 4. This is 8, carry 2, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2, 10, plus 1, this one is 109 over 4. 109 over 4 times 1,000 times 1,000. This converted into improper fraction is 109. 109 times 4 goes here once, 4 goes here 250. So we multiply 109 times 250 times 250, 8, 18, 2. Then there is 5 here, 45. 5 times 9 is 45. So we have 5, 0 is there. Then there is 2, 7, 2. 27,250 grams. 27,250 grams. 27,250 grams. That is D. D. So learners, you want to do D. This was C. 32.25 kilograms. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. Therefore 32¼ kilograms will be equal to 32¼ times 1000 times 1000. So we convert 32¼ into an improper fraction. So 32 times 4, we have 8 here, then 12. 128 plus 1 plus this one, so 129/4 times 1000. 4 goes here once, 4 goes here, 250. 250. So we have 250 times 250, 129 times 250 times 250. 2 times 9, 8, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 2 times 1, 2, then 5 times 9, 45, right, 5 carry 4, 5 times 2, 10, 14, right, 4 carry 1, then we have 5 plus 1 equal to 6. It's equal to 6. So my answer here is 5, 2, carry 1, 2, then 3. We have a 0 here, 0. This is 250, we add 0. So the answer is 32,250 grams. 32,250 grams. That is the number of grams that make 32¼ kilograms. 32¼ kilograms.